In 1973, Abington Shoe Company renamed themselves after their best-selling waterproof yellow boot. Today that company is known as Timberland. That was 45 years ago, and since then, not much has changed with its iconic silhouette. So what Timberland has done is made an updated classic, using the upper of their 6-inch boot and redesigning the midsole and outsole with Timberland's SensorFlex technology. They've created a boot that is waterproof, lightweight, durable, and flexible. What's up, sneaker fans? Thanks for tuning in to another unboxing and review. I'm really glad I found these because with this model, Timberland is answering two problems I've had with their classic 6-inch boot, namely the weight and flexibility. This to me is now the best of both worlds. Aesthetically, they are just as pleasing as the classics, and the added comfort from the SensorFlex midsole is definitely welcome. The midsole also radically minimizes the clunkiness in the back, and I expect these will experience much less heel drag compared to my old pair of Tims. It's a huge plus that they have added all of this and kept the waterproof membrane inside the shoe. One drawback is that these shoes are not insulated with the PrimaLoft insulation. You also won't find the anti-fatigue insole you'd normally find in the classic style. But I understand why they decided to leave these both out. They really wanted to make a lightweight waterproof shoe, and the PrimaLoft would have weighed these down. And while the anti-fatigue insole is very comfortable, cushioning is already accounted for in the SensorFlex midsole. Overall, I'm really happy with these pair of boots because it really does feel like an updated classic. All the way down to the traction, which is now Gripstick rubber, which is a proprietary rubber compound made by Timberland, and another improvement compared to their classic rubber lug outsole. And that about brings us to the end of this review. Thank you for watching. If you're looking to purchase a pair, check the description for a 20% off coupon for Timberland.com and a link to these boots. Please like the video to support what I'm doing, subscribe to stay notified on what's coming next. Wear what you like, not just the hype. This has been a More Than Hype unboxing and review.